Why you should add apple cider vinegar to your daily routine. Boost digestion. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, promotes healthy digestion by increasing stomach acid production, which aids in breaking down food. It also helps regulate stomach pH, reducing bloating and discomfort. ACV is known to alleviate symptoms of indigestion and heartburn by neutralizing stomach acid. It can also enhance the absorption of nutrients from food, supporting overall digestive health. A teaspoon of ACV in warm water before meals can stimulate digestion and prevent sluggish digestion. Supports weight loss. ACV is widely believed to help with weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. The acetic acid in vinegar has been shown to help burn fat by increasing metabolism. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of ACV may help lower belly fat and improve fat burning processes. It may also prevent the accumulation of fat cells, contributing to a leaner body. Drinking ACV diluted in water before meals is often recommended for appetite control. Improves skin health. The natural antibacterial properties of ACV help in treating acne and skin infections. It can balance the skin's pH levels, making it effective for soothing irritations like eczema or sunburn. ACV also contains antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, which can contribute to premature aging. When diluted with water, it can be used as a toner to tighten pores and remove excess oil. Regular use of ACV can leave the skin feeling smoother, clearer, and more refreshed. Regulates blood sugar levels. ACV may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. Studies suggest that vinegar can lower blood sugar spikes after meals, especially for people with type 2 diabetes. It works by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates, which helps in stabilizing glucose levels. ACV also has a low glycemic index, making it a healthier option for people looking to maintain balanced blood sugar. Drinking a small amount of ACV before meals has been linked to improved blood sugar control. Enhances heart health. Apple cider vinegar may contribute to better heart health by helping to lower cholesterol and blood pressure levels. Research suggests that the acetic acid in ACV can reduce bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol, promoting a healthier lipid profile. It also helps lower triglycerides, which are associated with heart disease. ACV's antioxidant properties may further protect the heart by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Regular consumption of ACV, alongside a balanced diet, can support overall cardiovascular health.